Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, March 9th. Well, let's start with that Nasdaq market. We did get the follow through to the upside on Thursday that we're looking for. Now Friday, what is the bias for this market? Well, I'm looking for continuation to the upside. There are some challenges ahead for the Nasdaq market as we talked about in the advanced video, but the fact is buyers are here. We're looking for follow through in that market, and we have some fundamentals that can really drive that market. Let's talk about what's going on with the euro, and what we can see is that the dollar is getting stronger against that currency, and I do look for further movement to the downside for that market. It did trade below its bearish level. The magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish levels in that market is $1,375 a contract. And again, I am looking for further movement to the downside in that market. Let's move on over to interest rates. Something doesn't add up here. I don't think that the 10-year note is sustainable to the upside. I'm looking for a down day on Friday in that market. And in the gold market, I just don't see a reason for a rally there either. It's at a level that we could find some buyers, but I have to tell you, I'm looking for further movement to the downside in this market and in the crude oil market. Well, there's just nothing to write home about. We're at a level, $60, where buyers could come back in. Supplies are high and demand is low. This makes sense, and I'm looking for further movement or a sideways move in that market. Soybeans traded below its bearish level, magnitude change in that market, $300 a contract, and I'm looking for a possible transition type move here to the upside, but an inside day is what I'm looking for basically for that market. Well, corn. Nice move here in corn. Wheat traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change here in that market, $1,300 a contract. I do look for an up day on Friday for our friend, Mr. Wheat. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.